अरे कैमरा
Sunny straight, Sunny straight, yeah. Sunny your right side. Sunny turn, Sunny यहाँ पे. Sunny यहाँ, left side. मैम इधर मैम. Sunny यहाँ पर. Sunny यहाँ. Sunny यहाँ, Sunny. Ma'am one more right. Sunny यहाँ. Sunny left side, Sunny. Yeah ma'am. Sunny यहाँ. Thank you. वहाँ पे ले. Sunny straight, Sunny. Sunny straight, yeah Sunny. एक मिनट टिल डाउन लेने दे. एक टिल डाउन लेने दे अच्छे से. हाँ ले. सनी स्ट्रेट. सनी को रेडी है. सनी को आगे नहीं तो लेंस नहीं दे. सनी एकदम सामने. सनी हैंड स्ट्रेट. सनी सामने. सनी यो. सनी सेंटर. सनी स्ट्रेट. सनी सेंटर. सनी यो. सनी या सनी. सनी यो. सनी लुक्स रेडी है. ऐसे बोल लीजिए. सनी वन मोर से. सनी यो. एकदम सामने. सनी लाइट कम पड़ रहा है यार. तो लाइट भी ऑन है. सनी सामने देखना है. सनी बोल से बोल. सनी यो. सनी यहाँ पे. सनी यहाँ पे. सनी यो. सनी. सनी यो. सनी वेट. काय को आगे बोलना. अरे थोड़ा सा बुलाना. एक स्टेप बुलाना. काय को तेरे को क्यों नहीं आगे यार. मेरी शॉट नहीं. सनी सनी में. सनी थोड़ा एक स्टेप आगे. बस. हाँ जी बस. स्टेडियम. या सनी या. सनी. सनी स्टेडियम. सनी स्टेडियम. सनी या. सनी या. सनी. सनी वन मोर स्ट्रेट. या सनी. ब्लॉक करते सुनील फ्लाई. सिंगल वाली तो खुश हो गए. एक घोड़ा ले जाते. सनी वन मोर. वन स्टेप. वन मोर सनी. अरे काटी आहे ना सुनील. तू कशाला पुढे जातो. अरे हा बघ ना मला. घे ना पाठी तू त्याला. नाही ऐकत ते काय. सनी. सनी सनी दिस साइड. सनी स्ट्रेट. हां सर आइए. पीछे गौतम पाठी घे यार. गौतम मागे आ जाओ ना. थोड़ा पीछे आ जाओ ना. अरे हे बघ इकडनं बघ ना. ये ऑल ऑफ स्ट्रेट है सर. मैम सर यहाँ पे. सर स्ट्रेट है सर. थोड़ा सर. अभी सर आ जाओ ना. अरे यार बात कम करो. बैलेंस हो जाएगा. थोड़ा बस. सर यहाँ पे. यहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हैं. ओके वेट. ओके ऑल ऑफ यू. स्ट्रेट है ऑल ऑफ यू. सब लोग सामने हैं. एमएस सर एक स्टेप आगे आइए ना. बस यार. ये सेंटर सर इधर. मैम सेंटर. मैम ऑल ऑफ यू सेंटर. ऑल ऑफ यू. एमएस सर सब लोग सामने. एमएस सर एक बार ऑफिस है यहाँ पे. हो गया वो लेट स्लो चलता है. या एमएस सर आप दोनों जन गए. दोनों गए. सनी और आप. हाँ ठीक है चलेगा. जाओ वे दो थोड़ा पीछे ले लो. काय पिक्चर भेटणार काय. सनी लुक एट. आगे थोड़ा. Much wider picture, but it's not possible now. Just come a little ahead. क्या करना? अरे तू मान ले. सनी. थोड़ा पीछे हो जाए. बहुत अच्छा है. एक मिनट छोड़ो मेरे को जाने दो. सनी स्टेडी. या.
Shall we start with the light?
Yes. Sunny.
सनी अब एकदम इंडियन अटायर में दिख रही है। अब लगता है कि वाकई हॉट सनी अब इंडियन सनी होने वाली मतलब हो गई है।
अरे मैं इंडियन हूँ।
अब आप इस अटायर के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगे, क्या खास है और क्या कर रहे हैं आप?
Silence on set.
तो अभी हम क्लाइमैक्स शूट कर रहे हैं and that's what you're seeing, this huge set, and this is the attire of I guess it would be a casual look for the princess in the movie. So that's my attire. I mean, a princess wouldn't come dressed in jeans and a gunji, right?
Sunny, the throne plays a major role in this film in which you are sitting.
The throne that I'm sitting on, yes, it plays a major role in this film. The chair is significant to the past life, which we will get into in this movie.
कहानी और किरदार के बारे में थोड़ा विस्तार में लिखना चाहेंगे डिटेल अबाउट
In details. Well, my character has two major characters in this movie, which is the present, and then there's Leela, who's from the past, which is the avatar that you've already seen, that poster when you come inside Film City. So that's the past life character, and she's a model from London, and she ends up coming here to Rajasthan, falls in love with the prince, and the story is about a reincarnation that happens in the past. And you guys are gonna have to watch the movie before I spill the beans. I think director, producer made it piche.
to work with Mr. Bobby Khan is the director. So how did you feel to work with him?
I felt great working with Bobby and Emmett and the entire team, particularly Bobby, because myself and my husband, we had friendship for a very long time, and finally Leela had come together, and we waited such a long time. And Bobby always from the very first, he was like, I want Sunny for this movie, I just want Sunny, and I want Sunny to be Leela, and I was very happy that he cast me for this role, because
Sunny,
it's a role of a lifetime.
Daniel is also playing a role in this film.
Daniel का छोटा सा role है, but सबसे cute, I mean to me सबसे cute role है, and I think that when you see him in the movies, I mean, all the ladies out there that like men in uniform, that's gonna be Daniel.
क्या आप चाहते हैं आगे डैनियल के साथ कोई फुल फ्लेज किरदार में आपकी फिल्म हो you work with him like full character with him डैनियल के साथ
अगर chance मिलता है Daniel के साथ काम करना, then of course I would love to.
What is the role of the Daniel? Is he playing a pilot?
Where did you get all this information from?
No, I'm just asking.
Daniel is playing a pilot in the movie. He looks very handsome in a uniform.
Sunny, are you also doing semi-classical dance that you learned for this movie?
Ek Peheli Leela has 9 huge, amazing songs. And wo 9 songs mein, we have Indian dancing, we have modern and western and a little bit of hip hop. We have all sorts of different types of dancing that goes on in this movie. On top of everything that you've seen Sunny do, you're also going to get to see me do things I've never done before, and avatars that you've never seen ever. Maybe later on I'll show you what's on my phone.
Have you shot for a biggest plane in the world in this film, like in a Boeing or something? Is it?
We shot, I think it was a 777. I think it was a really, really big plane we shot in London. It was like -2 outside. All of us were freezing. It was a huge airport where a lot of different people do a lot of shooting. American movies do shooting all over the world. People shoot here when they need a plane in London.
How was this? Like you shot on the top of the plane or inside the plane?
हमने plane के अंदर shoot किया. And I mean it's a typical plane scene where we're in the plane and there's dialogue and everything inside. So it was fun.
Which genre is this film? Is it thriller? Is it erotic or what?
I wouldn't say it's in the erotic zone. Of course, there are moments in this movie that are very beautiful, that are very sensual. There are, shots that you might consider erotic. But this movie falls into a little bit of drama. There's action. वो जो Bollywood movies होते हैं, जो सब कुछ डालते हैं. There's a little bit of everything for everyone. And I think when you watch it, it's going to take you on highs, and you go lows and highs and lows in this entire movie. There's twists and turns everywhere. I believe that, I think the favorite part will be the past look, which is Leela, the avatar that everybody's already seen.
Sunny, how did you prepare yourself for the Leela, for the princess? Have you done special preparation for that role?
I did a lot of sitting and talking with Bobby and Emmett himself, and just really perfecting, the look of this film, which is really important to everyone. Hitesh Kapopara, who did all this, styling for this movie with the help of Shira and Emmett, completing this look that they wanted. Hitesh did an amazing job styling every single look in this movie. Preparing to be a princess. I think that every little girl out there is a princess at heart, which is not too hard to get into that avatar once you're dressed up and you have all this jewelry on, and you just feel like a princess when you look like one.
Rajasthani language भी सीखी, मतलब did you learn Rajasthani?
I learned a very old style of speaking. Leela doesn't speak Hindi like we speak. Leela speaks a different language.
एक लाइन अगर आप बोल दे दो, अगर एक लाइन अगर आप
एक लाइन कोई भी टक टक की लगा के देखेगा, और लीला नाम है हमारा, लीला रामलीला कोनी.
चलिए, अगर खान की बात है तो हमने आपको सलमान खान के साथ आज तक की भी फिल्म में एक छोटा सा, अगर आइटम नंबर की बात हो या कभी भी अगर अवार्ड फंक्शन की बात हो, मतलब समय हमने आपको देखा नहीं है, तो क्या कभी सलमान खान ने कुछ आपको अप्रोच किया है किसी फिल्म में एक खास अपीयरेंस के लिए?
अभी तो नहीं, but I hope and I wish that one day I get to work with him. I think that it doesn't get any bigger than Salman Khan. So.
सलमान से होती है आपकी बात अगर sometimes कभी कुछ बात?
Yeah, every time I see him, he's very friendly. He's one of the nicest people that I've met. Goes out of his way, says hello to me, says hello to my husband. So I respect him very highly.
सनी, आपका ड्रीम रोल कौन सा है और किस एक्टर के साथ आप काम करना चाहोगे?
ये लीला का क्या?
आपका ड्रीम कैरेक्टर कौन सा है, रोल कौन सा है जो आप एक्टर के साथ प्ले करना चाहोगे, कौन से एक्टर?
To tell you the truth, this movie, when you see this promo on the 6th, you'll understand why this is my dream role. And I hope that I get to play some of these types of characters, or even the looks, the feels, the amount of the amount of things that go on in this movie. I think once you see the promo, you guys are gonna go mad. This story's not on a queen. मैं गाँव की लड़की हूँ, so very far from a queen or in the movie. As far as the past look goes, in the present, I'm a princess in the movie. So you have to watch it.
Last question.
Sunny,
Now-
do you watch cricket?
अरे लीला say cricket.
We know everything. We know everything about Leela now.
No,
So,
it's-
and I'm sure more than this you will not reveal.
Yeah.
So now, if you would like to say if there can be moral policing on web content because it's so vast, can there be, according to you?
I believe in America there's a lot of moral policing that goes on. I know that if somebody demeans you in public, online, on social forums, that there are repercussions for that. Here in India, it takes a little bit more effort to do. I've tried it; it didn't work. So I hope and I pray that that it kind of gets under control.